The mystery art project for 2024 is now available. This project is beautiful. You can see what the people who participated in last year's mystery art project were able to complete. The mystery of the Impressionist garden, the mystery of the poppies in the field, the mysteries of the buttercream sky. These came as complete kits. This year we're offering you two options. You can have the downloadable version where you get the video that shows you the full completion of the hooked rug, and you get the downloadable pattern. Or you can have the full kit version where we mail you the full kit right to your door with everything you need and guaranteed. So we're excited to be offering again this year. I want to tell you though that this year we're adding some new mysteries. They'll all be new so that those of you who participated last year can just add and you could have 24 mysteries. For those of you who are just beginning, you will have a complete, beautiful work of art for your home just like this. Well, not just like this, because of course the point of a mystery is that it's always something new. This year I'm going to add some interesting new elements to the kits and to the designs. One of the things we didn't know was that it was going to be such a good learning environment for people. People are taking it to the second year in a row because they learned so much last year. So join me at hookingrugs.com for the mystery art project. Space is limited, so join me soon. See you.